name is Owen, and today I'll be demoing the Sound Hire Cloud rental management system that I built for a sound equipment company. It uses Supabase PostgreSQL as a cloud database to manage packages, gear, inventory, and customer bookings with real-time availability checking. So for starters, here is the database with 5 tables: the bookings table, the gear table. The bookings table displays the bookings available. The gear table shows all the equipment that the company owns or offers to hire, and the package gear as well shows the quantity of the gear items available, and the packages shows different prices for the different and various packages and the settings. So let's try to interact with the database. We will try it out using the bookings page. So when we come here, I will first display all the current bookings we have at the moment. So when we run it, we see that we have a total of 5 bookings listed as above, and to verify that, we see it's the actual number of bookings we have. So let's create a new booking. We'll change this to be booking X, Y, Z, and update the contact number to be 3, and the email X, Y, Z. So when we run it, it must create a new booking. So let's verify from here. We see there have been 5, but now there should be 6 after us creating a new booking. We'll refresh. As we wait, we can also confirm from here by checking the list of booking. Well, you can see now there's 6. The same here as well. So we have seen we can create. Let's try to delete. We've tried to delete the one we've just created. So let's list and see if there are still 6. It should be 5. So it's just like you can see, it's a full CRUD database that can create, update, remove, and delete. So here are the files. This availability file handles the business logic, so it checks for items that have already been booked based on the date, and it displays it as either available or not available if it's booked. And this handles the operations, the delete, create, update. No, I mean this handles the models, handles the operations. This verifies the credentials in the .env file to make sure that it's secure. Well, thank you.